What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best drawing tablets in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We'll kick things off with Wacom One, the best beginner drawing tablet on the market in 2022. This model is a great tablet for beginner or intermediate artists, or even hobbyists looking for the renowned reliability of Wacom products at a lower price than some of the company's more expensive alternatives. Around the 13.3-inch Wacom One screen are thick black frames that are about half an inch on all sides. The screen is semi-matte and uses plastic instead of glass to simulate the feel of paper. The only thing that breaks the solid light gray color on the back of the device is the black stripe at the top, where you'll find a stand that supports the tablet for comfortable drawing angles. There are 3 spare pen tips hidden under the feet of the stand, as well as a tool to help you remove them from the pen. There's not much need for additional ports on the drawing tablets, except for the USB-C port, which is used to connect the Wacom One to the computer and also for power. This model comes with what they call an X cable. Power is connected to the top of the tablet, and the cable is divided into 3 separate cables: HDMI, USB-A, and a special USB for plugging into AC adapter. The screen is treated with anti-glare film, which makes drawing in a well-lit space much easier because you don't constantly fight for the perfect angle to see what you're drawing. Wacom impressed us once again with the natural feel of their pen. With 4,096 pressure levels, each line was completely controlled and precise, just as it may seem on paper. In addition, the tablet supports tilt angles of up to 60 degrees, making Photoshop brushes dynamic and easy to use. To take advantage of the pressure-sensitive pen and programmable pen button, you need to download the Wacom One driver. Along with it comes the Wacom desktop computer. This program works as a hub if you have multiple Wacom products. It's an all-in-one program where you can customize settings, update drivers, and request support. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. Up next, we present you the XP Pen Artist 24 Pro, the best large-screen drawing tablet in 2022. The screen size of Artist 24 Pro is 23.8 inches diagonally with a 2560 by 1440 pixels resolution. The viewing angle is about 178 degrees, and you can get a high brightness level of 250 CDM2. There's also a VESA mounting bracket of 100 by 100 millimeters. The pen does not use batteries and supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, as well as a sensitivity of 60 degrees. XP Pen Artist 24 Pro includes many cables and accessories for connecting the screen to a computer. If you have a USB-C port that supports the display port, you can use the USB-C to USB-C cable in the middle of the photo above the Connect the Pen screen directly to your computer. It works great and supports full screen resolution. All the ports you'll need are on the back of the insert section above. You'll need a DC power supply, whether you use USB-C port for display or not. There are 2 additional USB-A ports here that you can use to connect other peripherals, such as a keyboard or similar. First of all, the 90% Adobe RGB color gamut is impressive. Approaching Adobe 100% RGB is very important for photographers and graphic designers. There's a wider range of colors than you'd get with other monitors or laptops. The screen looks great, but what about the pen interaction interface? Well, that works great too. Windows 10 offers pretty good usability for interacting with ink and pen. The accuracy of the pen is also pretty good. It is very precise and very smooth. The pen has 2 hardware buttons that you can also program, but it doesn't have an eraser on the back. Also, keep in mind that the XP Pen includes a nice drawing glove to put your hand on the screen without lubricating your sweaty hands. Great touch including that. And last but not least, the 20 programmable express buttons on the screen, as well as the impressive 90% Adobe RGB color range and anti-glare screen. Thumbs up from here. Up next, check out the Wacom Intuos Pro Large, also known as the best value drawing tablet on the market in 2022. The device is available in 2 formats, both with 8,192 pen pressure levels and with 8 fully customizable express keys. The tablet can be used by both left-handers and right-handers, and in addition to 8 buttons, it also contains a ring called the Touch Ring with 4 fully customizable functions. The device is also equipped with an internal battery and can be connected to your PC or Mac wirelessly via the built-in Bluetooth receiver. For connecting tablets and charging, a USB cable is included in the mix. The onboard Pen Pro 2 has 2 classic adjustable buttons, 8,192 pressure levels, tilt recognition, and an eraser on the back. It is very light and quite easy to use, but above all, the level of sensitivity and precision is really very high. It only takes 2 clicks in Photoshop to notice it. The package also includes a pen holder that can be used by placing it horizontally on top or inserting it vertically. In short, this pen holder is truly a masterpiece of design. All in all, this tool is a really great product from all points of view. It is warmly recommended to all designers and illustrators who are looking for a professional, reliable, accurate, and very easy to use tablet. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The silver medal and the title of the runner-up best drawing tablet available on the market in 2022 deservedly went to XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro. The XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro comes with a great digital pen and can also be used as an external monitor thanks to a great 15.6-inch panel. The Artist XP Pen 15.6 Pro package is incredibly rich in accessories. In addition to the graphics tablet itself, inside we find the power adapter, the necessary cables to connect to a Mac or Windows, a rigid plastic case in which the pen is stored together with a series of tips. Along with a tablet and all its accessories, a stand is also included in the package. Weighing just under 3.32 pounds, Artist XP Pen 15.6 Pro is a graphics tablet equipped with a 15.6-inch laminated screen. The device sports a central red button that makes it easy to communicate with practically any graphics or writing application available for Windows or Mac OS. In the lower part, there are 2 additional buttons to adjust the brightness of the screen, while on the side, we find a connection port. Once you connect all the cables to the computer and connect the power to the wall outlet, the installation process becomes exceptionally straightforward. You'll need to download the Windows, while Mac users need to download the Pen Tablet app. All software is available on the manufacturer's website. The full HD 1080p panel is also top-notch, guaranteeing video reproduction very close to 120% sRGB color gamut, a viewing angle of 178 degrees, and incredible pressure sensitivity at 8,192 levels, a very important value for a device of this type, which allows Artist XP Pen 15.6 Pro to return feedback almost identical to what it would have been with pen and paper. The control of all operations is extremely precise, and the movements of the virtual brush are natural and fluid. Thanks to the device's ability to detect the tilt of the pen up to 60 degrees in each axis, the matte anti-reflective coating is also quite effective, not only minimizing reflections, but also making long work sessions less tiring for the eyes. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we present you with the gold medal for today and the long-awaited title of the best overall drawing tablet available on the market in 2022. It's the Wacom Cintiq 22, a high-definition screen tablet that uses IPS LCD technology and delivers the goods across the board. This model works with the company's patented electromagnetic resonance imaging method. The screen has anti-glare coating and better bonding than previous models. Contrast and definition are top-notch, so the colors are very vivid without obstructing vision. The surface of the screen has a faded texture, which acts like paper if you apply good friction. With the Wacom Cintiq 22, you can duplicate the image as on a traditional monitor, both in extended and mirror mode, making editing tasks easier. This is a leading pen display, uniquely designed to meet the needs of creative professionals and designers. It has a large screen size, advanced performance, and a variety of very intuitive productivity tools, making it one of the most popular and sought-after options today. The design includes ventilation openings on the back to reduce heat, so it's able to withstand long working days without heating. We're looking at a tablet with an interactive 21.5-inch screen with IPS LCD technology. The maximum level of visual colors is 16.7 million. The aspect ratio is 16:9, while the viewing angle is 178 degrees with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Pretty good specifications and more than enough for most users. Furthermore, the product boasts Wacom Pro Pen 2 technology with as many as 8,192 pressure levels, slope recognition, and an enviable low activation force. To allow users to perform multiple tasks in a simpler and faster way, this model includes 8 express buttons and a fully customizable touch bar on each side. The device has a total of 16 buttons and 2 touch bars. With the latter, you can reduce, enlarge, move or change the brush and so on. The connection is established via USB port and DVI-D. The design of the wide edge that surrounds the screen is modern and elegant. It also comes with a swivel bracket that offers rotation angles of up to 180 degrees, both left and right, as well as a tilt of 10 to 65 degrees to adjust to the desired working position. They also emphasize the excellent performance and sharpness of the monitor. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.